Hello everyone, my name is Hailey and I am a junior engineer at Intelligent Concrete, and I'm currently in just a t-shirt because I'm packing for Hawaii. I found out that I was going about 3 hours ago, and I'll be there for 2 days, just bringing an admixture, an ASCM, to a client in Hawaii that didn't get the material they needed in time. So I'm gonna keep you posted on my Hawaii adventure. I've never been. I'm a little nervous, I'm going by myself, but I'm super excited, and yeah, see you in the next clip. Hey everyone, so I am now at the Las Vegas airport, and there are slot machines. How cool is that? Yeah, so I couldn't vlog much on the flight because it was really dark, but I am heading out for, it's about 11:50 right now in Las Vegas, and I leave at 1:15. So I'm just waiting near the gate. I played the slots and lost $2. But yeah, overall having fun. Can't wait to talk about concrete in Hawaii. So now is around the time that I got to Hawaii, which was around 6 a.m. local time and about 9 a.m. in Colorado. And I went to the hotel, took a shower, dried my hair, and then headed straight to the job site. And I was pleasantly surprised that I could actually walk the 52-pound package of JunoXP to the job site rather than trying to schlep it into an Uber. And I personally love JunoXP because it meets the demand of creating a more sustainable construction industry by making concrete stronger and last longer, which is our mission statement. Once I got to the job site, I realized that it was a vertical construction project. They were building a huge Hilton hotel, and that is a type of project I'm not very familiar with. So I asked the contractors lots of questions, and I found out that they were actually mixing the JunoXP into the base and the soil to make the high-rise slab tougher and stronger. I was so excited to learn so much and get to make a positive environmental impact not only in Hawaii but also in the world. And it was really exciting to get to see all the gorgeous beaches and the ocean. If you'd like to see snippets of the rest of my trip, continue watching the video, and if not, as always, go concrete, be asphalt.